$100 a day or 100 euro a day. That's how much you can make with these 10 work from home jobs in 2020 and beyond. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you top 10 work from home jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own living room or your home office and make an average of $100 plus per day. Now I'm making money in euro, obviously I'm based in Europe, but you can do this from anywhere in the world, and I'm going to show you top 10 jobs. Now I won't be showing you anything related to online business like creating an e-com store or running a full-time product business or anything of this sort. I'm going to show you something super newbie friendly, work from home jobs that you can start today with no experience and no skills whatsoever. But before I do, let me give away $10 as always, and if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to, and I will be revealing the previous giveaway winner in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my free course on how I started making money online full-time. Check out all the rest of the links as well. And right now, let me share my screen and let me tell you all about top 10 work from home jobs in 2020 that are super newbie friendly. And even before I'm going to show you the exact websites, let me tell you that there are plenty alternatives to each and every single one that I'm going to show you. Now, I don't really have the time to dive deep into each one in this video, but if you want a bunch of alternatives, just go and check out the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online and working from home. So if I have a video on making money with method number 1, just find that video and you will find plenty alternatives to the websites that I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so the first way to make money online working from home is testing. Okay, so you can actually become a tester. You're going to be testing websites, apps, software, and you will just be giving your feedback to big companies on how it works, and you're essentially going to be giving your thoughts to them so they can improve on the app or the website. Okay, so the website is user testing. You have to click on become a tester and this will open up this page, and as you can see, you can earn up to $60 per test. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be visiting a website or an app, you're going to be completing a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and you're going to get paid. All you have to do is just enter your email to sign up, and as you can see how it works, get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. Now, they are working with big companies like Apple, like Facebook, like Dropbox, like Microsoft, Twitter, eBay, Yahoo. So big companies are working with usertesting.com, and you can essentially become a tester and get on all the new features, all the new apps, all the new websites, etc. and just you can take a look at them, go through the test, and just tell these companies on how they can improve. Now, obviously there are plenty of alternatives when it comes to websites where you can find testing jobs, but again, I'm not going to show you all of these alternatives in this video. Check out my videos on testing right here on this channel. They are all free, so obviously there are plenty different alternatives that you can use as well, but usertesting.com is by far the best website when it comes to finding these jobs. Okay, so testing software and apps and websites, that's job number 1. Now, work from home job number 2 is writing. Okay, so you can go to iWriter.com or a bunch of different websites actually. So you can find these jobs on Fiverr, on Freelancer, on any freelancing website really, and essentially all you have to do is just write articles or blog posts for other people. Okay, so there are, I don't know how many websites are there in the world, but if you have a website, you need constant new fresh content for it, and most people don't really have the time, and big companies definitely don't have the time to do it themselves, and that's why they are willing to pay people just like you to write articles for them. Now, iWriter is pretty cool because they actually have different layers when it comes to the payment. Okay, so even if you are not really a super skilled writer, you can still make some money. You're gonna be making like 10 cents per word, but the more experience you have and the better quality of your writing is, the more money you can make. Okay, so this is actually a great website to start. And again, I'm not going to show you all the alternatives, but iWriter.com is a great place to start. And keep in mind, you don't really have to write anything, because in most cases you can rewrite different articles. Okay, so if someone comes to you and says, okay, I need an article on hot air balloons, right? You can just go to easyarticles.com, find a similar article and just rewrite it. Okay, so you don't have to know everything about everything. So all you have to do is just find a similar article and just rewrite it in your own words. You know, if you are a fast writer, this can take a few minutes. Okay, so this is exactly how I got started when it comes to making money online. Eventually, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job, and there are also plenty of ways that you can automate this process. Now, again, check out all the rest of the videos on my channel to dive deep into writing gigs and how to make money from home writing. But that's my number 2 recommendation for you, becoming a freelance writer. And the number 3 is actually pretty similar. This is proofreading. So you can go to proofreadingservices.com/careers, and obviously you have plenty different alternatives out there. And if you don't want to write, you can still make money just proofreading. So someone else writes the article and you will be there to proofread it. And the cool thing is that you can actually do it with a piece of software like Grammarly. Okay, so Grammarly will correct all the mistakes for you, and all you have to do is just send it back to your buyer and you are done. So obviously you can do this manually, and some people actually find it therapeutic, going through the text and just finding mistakes, you know, grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, etc. But again, you can use a piece of software, make your life a little bit easier, and automate the whole process and make it even faster. Okay, so proofreading, definitely a great way to start making money online from home. And again, you don't really need much experience, because all you have to do is just know proper grammar. So if you're an English speaker, that's definitely an upside, but you don't have to be a native English speaker. I'm not, and I've sold plenty proofreading gigs when I was new to making money online. Okay, so proofreading, definitely a great way when it comes to your first work from home job. And the next one is transcribing. Okay, so we got writing, we got proofreading, and then we have transcribing. So you can go to transcribeme.com. You can join as a transcriptionist, as you can see, and you can become a paid transcriptionist today. As you can see, transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It is that easy. So how it works, you're gonna get a video or a audio file, and essentially you're just going to listen to it and transcribe it, and obviously you're going to have to be correct, but you can make a lot of money this way. As you can see, this is a top rated best work from home site, so that's why I chose transcribeme.com. Obviously there are plenty alternatives. Again, check out all the other videos on this channel to see them, but as you can see, they actually pay more than anyone else. So we have the industry best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. Now, top monthly earnings are $2,200 and average monthly earnings are $250. So again, you don't really have to be an experienced or you know, have a lot of technical skills to do this job. All you have to do is just listen to an audio file or a video, transcribe it, and you're good to go. So transcription services, this is definitely something that you can start. This is newbie friendly, and this will work in 2020 and beyond. Okay, so next up, I got virtual assistant. Okay, so you can become a virtual assistant, and again, you don't really need any skills for this, because in most cases you will be doing super simple jobs. Okay, so for virtual assistant, you can just go to Fiverr and find the virtual assistant category. Obviously, again, there are plenty other websites that you can find jobs on, but I like Fiverr because I got started on Fiverr, and you can do a bunch of different things on Fiverr, and becoming a virtual assistant is one of them. Now, as a virtual assistant, you will be doing a bunch of different things depending on who actually hires you. Okay, so you can do something as simple as data entry, you can do email support, simple graphics design, or maybe even WordPress services if you know how to use WordPress, etc. So just go through all of these gigs and see what kind of gigs people are actually ordering. But in most cases this is something super simple, again, just being a support person, or just writing something simple, or just doing data entry, which is essentially copying from one place and pasting it somewhere else. So super simple. And as a virtual assistant, you will actually be working for business owners, so you can actually learn something while working for these businesses. So you're getting experience and you are also making money at the same time. So becoming a virtual assistant, definitely something that I would recommend. Especially if you are a newbie and if you want to start making money in 2020. Okay, so next up I got data entry. So I mentioned it in the virtual assistant part, but obviously data entry is a whole different category. So the website that I found is actiondata.com. You're gonna click right here on employment and you have all the information right here. Obviously you're gonna have to submit your name and address, etc. And there are plenty of alternatives. Again, check out the rest of the videos on this channel to get all of the alternatives, but actiondata.com is somewhere where you actually can start doing data entry directly for this company. Okay, so you can find a bunch of different websites where you going to be connected to the person that needs the data entry. So you can find data entry jobs on Fiverr, you can find data entry jobs on Freelancer, etc. But with websites like Action Data, you can actually start working directly for them. And again, data entry is super simple. All you have to do is just copy something from one place, paste it somewhere else. If you know how to copy and paste, you are good to go. You don't need any experience and you don't need any tech skills. And again, this is a work from home job you can do from anywhere in the world. Okay, so data entry. And next up I got something super cool. Is actually something that you will enjoy, because you can actually get paid for creating subtitles for movies. Okay, so rev.com is the website. Now they also have transcriptions and captions, but subtitles is what you can also get paid for. This is a super easy work from home job, and in most cases you'll be just watching movies and just creating subtitles for them. If you've ever watched a movie with subtitles, you know what I'm talking about. You just have to make sure that they sync up correctly. Okay, so as you can see, you can make $3 to $7 per minute, and rev.com is a free to join website. All the information is right here. So again, rev.com, and they actually have a bunch of different jobs as well. So you're gonna get transcription jobs, $1 per minute. You're gonna get captions, $1 per minute, or subtitles, $3 to $7 per minute. And if you know a foreign language, that's even better. So rev.com for subtitling. And next up I got becoming a teacher. Okay, so you can actually teach kids all around the world, but working from home as an online teacher. Okay, so in most cases you will be teaching kids in China. Okay, so as you can see, this is Wonder Kids English. These kids are Chinese, or in some cases from other countries, and all you have to do is just teach them English. If you are a native English speaker, obviously this is not a problem at all. And in most cases these are kids, so there's not like it's a super high quality level of English. All you have to do is just talk to them, conversate with them, and just teach them just normal common expressions. Okay, so as you can see, it says passionate teachers meet super students. You can apply to teach right here, and you're gonna get all the information. All you have to do to apply is just fill out this form right here, and they will send you all the information. So teaching is definitely a very cool thing. You can actually have an impact on these kids, and this is teaching English. And next job I got for you is becoming an online tutor. Okay, so teaching English is one thing, but you can actually become a tutor, and they have a number of different opportunities. Okay, so chegg.com, you can click on become a tutor, and as you can see, it says online tutoring jobs. Start tutoring online with Chegg Tutors. Top tutors earn $1,000 per month, starting at $20 per hour. You can sign up right here. As you can see, they have flexible tutoring opportunities. So they're gonna send the students to you, you're gonna build your reputation, you're gonna get paid each week, and you can tutor from anywhere. So your dorm, your coffee shop, your home, all you need is internet access. And when it comes to the jobs, they have all different levels, so middle and high school, college, professionals, so you can do calculus, biology, computer science, law, voice lessons, astrophysics, zoology, and thousands more. Okay, so the last one I showed you is teaching English to mostly Chinese kids. This is about anything else, so anything that you feel strongly about, you know, maybe you were good with math in high school or whatever the subject is, you can become a tutor and make a ton of cash. Now they say $1,000 per month, but obviously if you are going to combine all of these 10 methods that I'm going to show you, you can make at least $3,000 per month, which is $100 per day, and that's just a start, because then you can scale it up very, very easily. So becoming an online tutor. And number 10, I don't have a specific one, but I just wanted to show you that on Fiverr you can become anything you want. Okay, so we can sell a number of different gigs. So first of all, you can do graphic and design. And if you want to dive deep into graphic and design gigs, check out all the rest of the videos on this channel, because I show you how to create like simple YouTube thumbnails from templates. You can create you know, logos, you can do illustrations, you know, a bunch of different things. Not actually having created anything, but just using templates from free websites. Okay, so graphic and design, you can do digital marketing if you know anything about SEO, social media marketing, etc. We already talked about writing, but the thing we didn't talk about is translation. So if you actually know a couple of languages, then you can translate from one to another and back. You can make a ton of money, and this is actually something that I've done myself as well. As you can see, we have articles here, we have resumes, proofreading, technical writing, translation, a bunch of different things that you can do on Fiverr. Okay, then we have video and animation. Obviously, all you have to do is buy a piece of software to create these videos and animations, and you can sell these. Super simple. Music and audio, this is very specific, as well as programming and text, so I'm not going to dive deep into it. But in the business category, again, we have virtual assistant and we have data entry, and you have a bunch of different things like market research, like business plan, like branding services, legal consulting, business tips even. Okay, so a bunch of different things. And if you don't want to do anything, but you just want to do something fun, go to the lifestyle category. They have arts and crafts, they have astrology readings, spiritual healing, family, gaming, viral videos. You know, sometimes just people film themselves in like a banana costume, and you know, they charge like $25 for 30 seconds, so you can do that as well. So check out Fiverr. This is by far my #1 recommended resource. I got started on Fiverr and it allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, and when I started to make $3,000 per month, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and just start making money online from home and doing nothing else. Okay, so again, this is something that I would definitely recommend. And right now, let's see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here: 7 best apps to make money from your phone 2020. Let me grab the URL. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let me paste in the URL. Let's filter out the duplicates and let's see. We have 43 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. Okay, we got Luis Ernesto Perez. Thanks for this video, and I get the email, so I'm going to send you $10 right now. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10 just like Luis just did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email just like Luis just did, so I can send you the $10. All right. Okay, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10 right now, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my free course on how to make money online. This is how I got started online, so go through it and you can start making $300 per day. Now, the second link is my secret formula for making money online that I'm using right now. If you want to work with me directly, click on the third link. Check out all the rest of the links as well. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment as well. Now, I'm always recording videos on this channel on how to make money online and how to work from home. So this is for 2020 and beyond, and obviously in this video I showed you top 10 work from home jobs. Now check out all the rest of the videos for all the alternatives and all the other ways to make money online and work from home, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.